What's up, YouTube? We got a lot of money by selling snow cones and Nerf guns. I'm hot. And we're gonna go to Walmart to get some toys.
We made $73.
How much did I get?
You got $32. I have $41.
I think he got 31 and you got 42.
He has 32. I have
What are you guys gonna get? Are you gonna put it together and get that launcher?
No, I don't know. I want Santa for that for Christmas.
Oh, you're gonna ask Santa? What are you gonna get with the money you got?
I don't know.
You don't know. You're just gonna have to figure it out. What about you, bro? We could save it. You just want to throw it in the envelopes and save it?
No.
I'm gonna look, and then if I don't find anything that I want, then I'll save it.
Sutton, you are filthy. You sure you want to go to Walmart like that?
Yes.
All right, let's go.
We're at Walmart. Knuckles.
That is the plan?
Maybe.
You're just buying your own Halloween costume?
Maybe.
Maybe. Oh, Kimmy.
I think that's a good plan.
And then, guys, we are going to get a Halloween costume for Halloween, and I want some Hot Wheels. See if I have my drugs.
Costumes are expensive. I don't think you're gonna have enough for both.
Yeah, thanks. No, I will.
Anything you like?
I want to be mine.
Minecraft? You got enough money for it? But they don't have your size. You need a small. That's a medium.
Then you look this.
That's a large.
Huh?
That's a large.
I'm a 5 too.
You needed to say 5 right there. Right, that one says 10 and that one says 8.
I'm 5.
This one says 5 or 6, 7. It would even work.
There's one. This one's creepy.
No.
That one's not your size, but I'm sure they have it in your size.
Nope. Nope. Oh, that's creepy white.
Well, there's a Chucky.
I want to be Chucky.
No, I do want to be Chucky. That is that Mikey.
You don't want to be Chucky, do you? Do you even know who Chucky is?
No. Nancy?
You don't want to wear that mask all night. You see the costume?
Yeah.
It's like a baby costume. You like it? You're kind of dressing up like a baby doll. That's what Chucky is. He's a baby doll. No? He's a scary baby doll. But
Is this one?
it's an M. Look, see the M right here? See how this one has an S? You need the S like that.
Oh, yeah. No,
I wish they had this
So, do you want to just look at Party City for costumes or somewhere else?
no.
What do you want to be?
Wait, yeah.
What are you going to be?
Does this have an
Where are we going?
Hot Wheels section? So guys, there's monster trucks and Hot Wheels. They're all right here. And I'm gonna get some stuff that's all right here. But the color changers are gone. Color changers used to be right there. But that is Red Bolt that makes you fly. And they're just how much. Does that even move?
No.
Ah! Does that hurt?
No. What are you getting, Sut?
This is a grave digger. It's waterproof and dirtproof, rockproof, and snowproof.
How much is it? What's the price on it? You don't got that much. You just put your money together.
Alto Loco.
Not that much either. You can save your money.
Then I want to see where the sun's doing that here. Oh yeah, there's the color changers.
Which one?
That zombie.
Oh,
the
dude.
one all the way-
That is sick, actually.
the red wheel in the front.
I wonder if that was on purpose. Oh, it shows like that on the back. That's pretty cool.
Which fit.
I don't know. What are you getting, man?
I want to get that.
The zombie's only $4. He's not freaking 7 like those color changers.
It's only for 2, see?
Well, Gravediggers, I'm pretty sure, are the 10. I think these are 10. But this would be 10, and then if you want this, it would be 20, and then 24, and then this would be like 25, I think. And then you would have enough for tax if that is what you want. But we would have to go to the scanner to confirm those prices. What are you getting? What do you got there? The Braille car's pretty cool. I got one of those.
Yeah, we already have one of those and the green one. So you should just put that in the box.
What else you want to look at?
You gotta just check the scanner to know how much off. There's no neither heavy. Because you can't watch them, right?
Alright, so this is what you're getting?
Yep.
Alright. You're gonna make me carry it for you?
Yep.
Even on the bike ride home, you're gonna carry it on your bike?
No, Bray's carrying it.
Bray's carrying it?
Yeah, actually, Bray's carrying it.
What do you want to look at, Bray? You want that lollipop lab?
Yeah.
You can scan it over here, see how much it is.
Do you want this one?
No, that's not it. That's for the Dracula. It's for the doll. You want the Dracula? $15. You can just sit on the floor right there because that wasn't the right spot anyways.
Right? I got this for zombies, so it has like yellow wheel, black wheel, and red wheel.
His wheels are all messed up like your shirt.
Yeah, like a zombie shirt.
Oh, your coach texted me about the size of the ball. I forget. I can check right now. Because these are like the BB guns. There would normally be airsoft right next to BBs. It's all just gel blasters now.
Dad.
Kids don't have airsoft battles anymore. They just have gel blaster battles. You want a new gel blaster? No?
Can we go back there with the game?
You can go wherever you want. We're here for you, not for me. You see him?
That hand was scary because it looks like it's crawling around.
What is it?
That hand was scary. It looks like it's crawling around, right?
Oh, Wednesday hand.
Yeah, it looks like it's crawling around.
Alright, what do you guys want? Ray, you don't have to spend your money, dude.
This because that's
Save it, dog.
That you want to get this? I bet you should get this.
I mean, we could put all this back, and when Mom gets home, we could go to Target.
Ooh, I want this.
You want this stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
Brian wants his stuff.
Ray wants his stuff? A Slinky? Dude, you've had Slinkies, bro. That's so dumb. How much money are you going to waste on that? You don't even know. Go scan it and see how much you're going to waste on it. Tell me. Oh.
$2. You thought you were wasting money for $2. $2.
$4. So you're gonna spend $8 right now out of your money, and then you're not gonna have that to put towards whatever else you might want later. Is it worth $4? It's the same price as all. No, you know where that one goes, so go put it back.
Dad, I know what I want now. Oh, baby.
Oh, that little shopping cart for one of these dolls.
No, not one of those. Section.
paying section.
Knuckles.
Checkout. The
Knuckles.
registers.
Knuckles. High five.
You slide it in right there.
I want to suck in my hand.
Get your hand out of there.
I want to suck in my hand.
Move so Bray can put his 510 in there.
Then me next.
And then you next.
Yeah, because you don't have to. And then put it in the
It's on the side over here. Just do it this way. Just spin it.
He's already at 16. Already at 6. No. He's already 10 more. 27 bucks.
27, dude. Gotta put 27 in there. So put that 20 and then a 5. And then your brother's got, he just gave you 3 pennies you can use. So that way you don't have to put. Let me drop this nickel in here. You got 36 still? You got 36 still?
I have 41. Now I have
Give both of our receipts to the van.
Thank you. There's Sprite and root beer and Fanta in this one. Diet Dr. Pepper is disgusting.
That first is good.
You wasted $1 on that.
It's good.
How are those sodas?
Good. Wait, can I try yours?
You're carrying everything? Dang, son.
No!
Bray's gonna carry all your stuff.
Yay. I thought he put it on my hand before.
Say thanks, brother.
Thanks, Brett.
Say thanks, brother.
I don't think that's a.
Here we go.
I don't think that's a. Want to line up all of them before we make a video? I just want to all of them. Hey, we got double batteries here, bro. That doesn't even make sense. We got double batteries here. We got double batteries. Well, I just line everything up, alright, Dad? Line everything up.
Hey, your money that's left right there, do you want to put it in your envelope
Sure.
and just save it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Go put it in my envelope last.
Alright.
Line up everything.
I'll go put it in your envelope and I'll tell you how much you have when I get back.
I'm going. What's up, YouTube? We got all of these monster trucks. They're available at Walmart. And then we bought them. So we are going to open these. Alright, now I gotta get it. So we got the Donut Drifter, is like the coolest one because it's on Netflix. And then different colors zombie wheels with hands up, with his hands up. And then we got Grave Digger. He got a bit softer, but he's Grave Digger. And then El Color, the gold. And then these are all the trucks we bought. And these trucks are really old.
You didn't buy those. You already had those ones.
Yeah, but these trucks are really old.
Yeah.
Stone. Subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe to our channels. Stone.